In the given figure, triangle ABC has sides AB 7.5, AC 6.5 and BC 7. So on the base BC, a parallelogram is built. Now that parallelogram has the same area of ABC. Now you have to find the height of that parallelogram. Very easy. See here. Find the area of triangle by Heron's first. Now equate that area of triangle to area of parallelogram, base into height, and you will get the height df. Say this. S equals to A plus B plus C upon 2, 7.5 plus 7 plus 6.5 upon 2, 21 upon 2, 10.5. You solve it yourself. That is very important. Okay. Then area equals to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So 10.5 into 10.5 minus 7.5, 10.5 minus 7, 10.5 minus 6.5. Find the answers. 10.5 into 3 into 3.5 into 4. Now this multiplication is what you have to do it yourself. So it comes to 441. Now what is 441? 441 is a square of 21. That's why I again say learn the tables up to 30 by heart and squares up to 30 by heart. We have separate videos for the same, which you can sync behind those videos on a daily basis for 3 months, and you will learn these tables up to 30 and squares up to 30 by heart. So let's move on. So 441 is 21 square. So area of triangle ABC becomes square root of this, that is 21. Now equate this area of triangle to area of parallelogram. But what is the area of parallelogram? See, these were our two steps. Area of parallelogram equals to area of triangle. So what is the area of parallelogram? BDEC. So base into height, right? So 21 equals to base is 7 into height is df. So df equals to 21 upon 7 equals to 3. It should be 7 over here equals to 3. That's the required answer. Okay. What I would suggest is you watch these videos in tandem with each other. Don't watch these videos singly, because there are 95 and not 95. There are more than almost 120 videos or 150 videos. So watch them in tandem. Otherwise you won't understand anything if you watch in between.